Happy New Year! We celebrate our New Year at my brother-in-law's place. So, ang ganda ng ano nila, table sitting. Ayan. Maganda din yung bahay nila, guys. Tsaka ang ganda ng view kasi nasa top yung bahay nila. So, mamaya maganda yung fireworks. Kita lahat. Relax muna si Tikyo habang naghihintay ng dinner. Ayan. So yan po yung dinner, guys, pag New Year. May Waldorf salad, potato, and then the turkey and the side with veggies. And then ito po yung dessert namin, guys, ice cream, saka yung pudding. It's soon New Year 2025. 12 minutes for 12 midnight.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
So ito po yung sinasabi ko, guys. Ang ganda ng nito pag mag-view ng fireworks kasi overlooking yung bahay nila, nasa taas kasi. So kita lahat, guys, sa Haugesund, sa Avaldsnes. Ayun. Ang ganda ng fireworks. Buti hindi umulan.
Lisa!
So ito lang yung nasa bahay guys, prosperity bowl kasi nga nag-celebrate tayo dun sa brother ni Chitil. Walang handa.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna eat kimchi and we are gonna see if I have some reaction. So I start with this, open the lock. Hi guys. Yes, I'm eating from the thing. La familia Madrigal. Worm. Ah. Do you want? Okay. I like kimchi. No reaction. Bye-bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Nebo Family Vlog. Be safe everyone. Bye.